This is the AR motherboard test. So here you can see the motherboard, and the trick is to find one of the cards that are supported by the motherboard, or which goes inside the motherboard directly. This is like a demo of an ICT course for kids. So you have a lot of cards, and every card has its own AR thing, and we have to put them in the motherboard. So let's put speakers in the motherboard. So of course this won't work, so you see that one card is wrong. But if we place the RAM on the place, it will say one of the three are found. So let's place the other ones. It's a video card. Spoilers, it's a video card and it's CPU. And then you win. It will also show the things in the right place. So if I remove this, you will see that it's adding it to the right place. So that's our AR motherboard demo.